What's good to you? You're on the back to number today. I'm gonna be trying the new Big Mac chicken from McDonald's. Make sure you got like, comment, that bell. I'm sorry, it's dark. It's cause my crazy granny and my crazy family.
Y'all can get some crust out of here?
Is this like a chicken sandwich? I guess it is. Look like the normal Big Mac. I took the Mac. I put no mac sauce and no cheese on it, and they didn't put it on. Good, they didn't.
They're crawlers. They're low fat.
This is how it look. I got extra pickles.
They cook them early and we cook them again.
And like, see how it goes.
I made you one other one. It was good.
Johnny L. Kid still over there too? Johnny L. Kid.
Mommy,
Here.
more.
We're going to eat some food.
I thought you Johnny L. brought some sweet potatoes. Huh?
Y'all know what I'm gonna say. This one good. Let me see, bussin'.
Y'all, he ain't got no sauce on there. On his thing.
But it's too juicy.
It is?
How it taste for us?
It tastes better than the normal one.
Who?
It tastes better than the normal one.
You can't, you got one more everything. You got sauce on the cash?
Yeah.
You take yours.
Nah, I'm not opening mine right now. Yeah, can you give me a small fry? Eat my stuff along with it. Come and give me another fry.
Yeah, guys, so
I'm ready to stop.
this is one video of me trying something new. I'm gonna make my next video trying
Here.
this Reese's.
Here.
That's
Come
coffee.
here. Let's put that hold it.
I might make it I might make it at home, but let's comment that bell. This is a good chicken sandwich. Peace out.